Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with another project share sponsored by Beebeecraft. As you know, I have been collaborating with them over the last couple of months, and these are some of the products, not all of these, but some of these products were ones that they shipped to me for free as part of the collaboration. And let me just tell you very quickly about their program. If you have a YouTube channel that you actively post videos on and you have 100 or more subscribers, you're eligible to apply to become a collaborator with them. So I will have a link in the description box below to their website as well as the collaboration page where you can sign up and fill out the application. If you're accepted, you will be given a spending allowance to purchase products on their website. And in exchange, they will mail you the products free of charge, no shipping either. And you need to do an unboxing video as well as 2 or 3 project videos. Now, they prefer to actually have craft with me type videos, but when I do a beading project like this, I pretty much just talk about the project itself as well as the products that I used, because I am a beginner beader, and believe me, you don't want to watch me put this together, okay? But I did follow a video to do this, and I will put a link in the description box below to that video if you're interested in trying this out yourself. So another thing they do is they give you a coupon code, and my code is ENIS10, E-N-I-S-10, that you can share with your friends and family, and that will give them 10% off their orders if they shop Beebeecraft. So anyway, the products that I used from Beebe this time around were some of these pretty pearl beads here, and one of these silver clasps. So this bead set, they're calling the PandaHall Elite 15 Style Glass Bead Set. You get 450 beads. They're all in pink shades and in a variety of styles. At the time that this was shipped to me, it was $5.71 for the whole kit. And these are 8mm beads. Then the product that I'm featuring, let me just mention this. So I'm not going to talk too much about these beads because I did feature this in a previous video, which I will link below, where I hand sewed some of these pearl beads here onto a card that I sent to my mom for Valentine's Day. So that was a real fun project to do. And the other product that I'm using from Beebeecraft are these absolutely beautiful silver magnetic clasps. These are called Honeyhandy Alloy Rhinestone Magnetic Clasps in silver. And you can see the beautiful rhinestones on there. These are so shimmery. And it's got a really nice tight magnet. Oh, look here. Even on the inside, it's got a pretty design. Real tight magnet on there. So that's great. Let's see. This is a set of 5. And at the time these were shipped to me, they were $2.37. Now, let me just tell you, their prices do fluctuate up and down a little bit depending on whether or not there's a sale, and depending on whether or not you are using a coupon code, so just be aware of that. And the information for ordering those is right here. So if you're interested, that's the SKU number. And I will have links to this product and this product in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing those. So this is a set of 4mm bicone beads that I picked up at Temu, and I did do a haul video that included these, and that video will be up either tomorrow or the next day. But I did use these pretty pink ones right here. And the last set of beads I used were these pearl seed beads, and these I believe are also 4mm. And these beads I actually got from a friend. I had a very dear friend for many, many years who passed away a few years ago, and she was a wonderful beader. She made necklaces and bracelets and jewelry. She made all kinds of jewelry, and she had the beading stash of all beading stashes. But when she passed away, her husband gifted all of the beading supplies to me, and I selected some of the ones that meant the most to me or I felt I could use, and I kept them in my stash, which did include these little pearlized seed beads here. And the rest of them I gifted to other people so that her memory could live on through other people's crafts. So anyway, those are the products I'm using today. I've given you the information about the Beebeecraft collaboration program, and now let me show you the bracelet that I made. So here it is. I'm going to give you a nice close-up there. You can see the beautiful pink pearl in the middle, And then it's got like a winding rope style of the pearlized seed beads going around each one. And you can see the little pink see-through bicones in the pattern there as well. It's a really pretty bracelet. And the feature here is this gorgeous clasp. And did you see how easy that went together? Beautiful. I think it is perfect for this set of beads. Perfect. So yeah, look at how gorgeous that is. Now the previous bracelet I made, I didn't really have any real clasps, so I used some lobster clasps, and they worked great. And the bracelet is really pretty, and I love it. As a matter of fact, I wore it yesterday. But this is just gorgeous. So I just wanted to share this with you today. The project that I made with the Beebeecraft products that I am featuring here. And like I said, I'm going to have links in the description box below to beebeecraft.com. If you do shop, I would appreciate it if you would use that link, because that lets Beebeecraft know that people are watching my videos and they're hopping onto their website. Be sure, if you shop, to use my coupon code Enis10 for 10% off your order. Coupon good to November 29, 2025. I have links to these beads as well as these in the description box below, as well as the tutorial to make this bracelet in case you're interested in making your own. And I'm also going to put a link to the beaded Valentine card I did for my mom using these beads in the description box, and anything else. Oh, the collaboration program. Yeah, so anyway, thanks a lot for stopping by. I really appreciate everybody so much. I love and appreciate my subscribers, and I'm just so glad that you stopped by and you checked out this product video. Oh, look at this. So pretty. And if you're not a subscriber, I would really appreciate it if you'd click the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified of my future videos so you don't miss out on any of my crafty fun. And yeah, that's what I've got for you today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.